Okay, type your name. I'm gonna go with Dion. Oh my god, it looks just like me. I'm gonna do another one. Okay, I'm gonna try King. What trippy troopy? Let's try tralala tralala if it gets tralala. Let's see if it gets tralala tralala. If we type in tralalelo, tralalero, tralalero, tralala, tralalero, 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 lero, tralala. What? Borbuluni, luli, nah! You're trapped! Okay, how about let's call Bubu. Hello? Nata, okay, literally larila. Tung 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 sahur. Boneka ambalabu. Borbuluni, loli, bri, digos, lolimero, chulichina. Frigi camelo. Bluebird. I didn't see that. I haven't seen it. Ballerina cappuccino. No. La vaca Saturno Sartinita. Cappuccino assassino. Tralalelo tralala. Bumbubuni guzini. Berber patapim. Trippy trophy. Oh, hello, Berber patapam. You have a billy nose. Hey, tralala, high five! How are you standing? Tung, sahur has good looking. Ballerina, cappuccina, kid. Impanzini, babanini. Eka ambalabu. Bombardino, crocodilo, and kid? What the heck? Limelo, Trulicina, and this is Shiba. Tung, sahur. Anomaly mina. What the heck? Big forehead. From that too much brain rot. Or ballerina cappuccina and brain rots. I am Steve.